Alright, y'all. We're gonna get our Play-Doh out. Open the lid. Gotta squeeze all around the container. Try to get it out. Uh-oh, mine won't come out. So I'm gonna dig mine out a little bit. Squeeze. Play-Doh is hard to get out sometimes, but that's okay. Oh, I'm getting it. Here it comes. There we go. Awesome. Alright. So you're going to take your big ball of Play-Doh, break it in half. You're going to take one of your halves and you're going to roll it back and forth under your hand. I'm just taking my flat hand. I'm making what looks like kind of like a hot dog. Alright, now I'm going to break this in half again. So I have two pieces. And I'm going to make another smaller hot dog. Now, I'm going to take my little hot dog and I'm going to make it into a V. So watch me do that again. I've got both ends in my hands and I'm just going to bring them together. It looks like the letter V on top. Now what letter does it look like I made? So if I've got these lines up here, then a big line down. Right, that's letter Y. But we're going to actually turn this into a tree. So I'm going to break off 1, 2, 3, 4. So count my pieces with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now I'm going to make these into little balls. So one way to do that is I hold it and I put my other hand and I roll in a circle. You can do this on the table. You can roll in a circle. So remember, when we make circles, we're going around and around. Make a circle with your hand with the Play-Doh. Uh-oh. So there's one. I'm going to take this one, same thing. Make a circle with your hand. I'm going to do this one. And this one. Alright. How many balls did I make? Let's count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to put my circles on my tree branches. So I'm going to set them like that, because watch my press. Push. And push. Alright, well, it kind of looks like a tree, y'all. I think it looks like a tree. Anyways, I hope y'all had fun playing with some Play-Doh.